So next one is whole loaves. So first we said how many loaves? 2. Now we say that they must be whole. I mean, must be at least like very, very preferable. The 2 loaves of challah used for Lechem Mishneh should be whole, meaning you did not cut. So that's why it's very proper to have like 5 rolls of 5 breads. So of course it depends on your family size, right? So but if family is not big, or you have small children, they don't eat much bread, for example. So you don't waste money. You make smaller rolls or buy smaller. So you would have double, but you not have like too much left over. Okay. But they should be whole. Some poskim state that if the loaves are missing tiny amount, equivalent to approximately 2% of the loaf, the challah is considered whole. But 2%, as we understand, is not a lot. So I remember like visiting the family. They have a little daughter, and then she liked the challah, and they left by accident. They told me like she would snatch the challah from the table, and they were very careful not to leave there. And the guy was talking to me, and he left the challah on the table, and she came. I don't know, she was 3 years old. I don't know, and she bit a little from the challah, but we then applied this halachah, right? So it was just a little tiny piece missing, so we were able to use that loaf as a second and considered to be whole. Very interesting. So very practical. Others feel it needs to be completely whole. Okay, with this, see sharet Shua. Okay, no problem. Continue. In all, but we can always rely on this 2% opinion. So if 2% is missing, it's like it's whole. Okay, if needed. So just told you the practical example. Okay, continue. In all opinions, tiny crumbs that fall from the challah or matzah do not qualify them from being whole. Do not disqualify them from being whole. So okay, like tiny pieces fallen, especially from matzah, right? Maybe not from challah, but from matzah, of course, there is some pieces fall. No problem. Many poskim write that the second challah, which will not be eaten at the meal, may be a frozen loaf. However, even if not frozen, the second challah should not be in bag. However, even if not frozen, the second challah should. Okay, so technically, so for example, I said make this small rolls, but some people they don't have ability, no time, or whatever they don't have. So technically, they can take from refrigerator the frozen challah, even though you as it is, you'll not be able to eat it, right? But it's irrelevant, right? So you can use it as a second challah. All right. Of course, you're going to cut the first one, eat the first one. This you're going to put back into the freezer, but it does not matter. Right, so in the last sentence you say, however, even not frozen, the second challah should not be in the bag. So it's in the bag, it's like some disrespect.